now where the degrees are not mentioned. Right now where the degrees are not mentioned, like in this one, it's a label protector. Right now the degrees are mentioned here. So even if the degrees are not mentioned, we can still measure the angle, right? Because we know that every marking here stands for 1 degree now, right? So in total, there is 180 markings, 180 small lines that you see here, small and the big lines, right? So that basically means that this is this basically we see that this protector is having 180 divisions. Sorry, and each division here is equal to 1 degree, right? And then we have the short divisions and the big divisions. Short division is of 5 degree and the bigger division is of 10 degree. So we have learned how we can measure it. Talking about the label protector, you can see here, right? I assume that all of you must be having a geometry box, right?
Yes.
Fine.
Yes,
Good.
sir.
So in your geometry box, you will find this protector where the angles are labeled like this. So it becomes much easier to measure the angle with the help of such type of a protector. Okay. So over here, see, some rays have been drawn in this figure. Some rays have been drawn. So we need to name these different angles. Name the different angles in this figure and let's write their names. Okay. Let us start from the left side. Okay, now from the left side, like from this side. Okay. Talking about this angle, what will you call this angle as? Tell me. What happened here? How would you name this angle? Yes, Nafis? Laksh?
Angle UOT.
Angle UOT. Good. Okay, next is this angle. How do you name this one?
Angle TOS or SOT.
Let's call this angle TOS. Okay.
TOS.
Next,
Angle SOR.
angle SOR. Good. After this,
ROQ.
that is
QOR.
ROQ or QR or QOR. Both are correct. So let's call this
Then
as QOR. Okay. And then after this,
QOP.
POQ or QOP. Right. So angle POQ. Talking about angle POQ here, right? So look at how many divisions are there between the ray OP and OQ, right? Okay. You will name wherever I will stop the pointer, you will tell me the value. Okay. Going from here, yeah, at this point it will be
10.
then
20.
then
30. 30.
30. Okay. After that, we will count the smaller divisions, no? And each division is equal to 1 degree. So count those
1 to 3.
small divisions.
35.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that is 35 degree. The angle
Yes.
POQ equals to 35 degree. Got it?
35 degrees.
Okay. Similarly, tell me the names of other angles also. Next, QOR. What about this?
Q 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65.
65. Okay, what?
66.
66 you are saying.
66. How?
It has to be 65, 70 or 60 or 55 like that. Okay, not 66, 67, not
10.
like that.
Oh.
You start counting from here. Look at the arm OQ, right? So first this much will be going to be 5 degree now, right?
It's 60. It's 60. It's 60.
60 you're saying, okay. 5, then 10, 5 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10. Sorry, I mean to say 5 plus 10, 15, 15 plus 10, 25, then 35, then 45, then 55 plus 5, 60.
60. 60.
Getting it, everyone?
Yes.
Nafis, you getting it? Okay, let me actually write it so you guys actually understood it properly. So thereby this is like 10 degree. Again, it's 10 degree. And again, 10,
10.
and 10, 10,
And then
and then it is 5.
5.
So you add all of it. So that will be equal to 60 degree. Hold on. Am I audible or not?
Yes, sir, you are.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I got this part disconnected from other device. So that is going to be how much? 60 degree.
60.
Yeah, volume slam. Habib, try joining the class on time. These days you are not on time. Huh?
What?
Try joining the class on time. Okay.
I was out somewhere.
Okay. So we are doing questions from page number 36. Okay. You continue from here. Now, what will we name the angle? This one, SOR. Hold on. I mistakenly wrote the 60 degree over here. I should have written over here, no, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Next, tell me.
Yes.
So, what?
Yeah, I'm zooming it.
10, 20, 30 degrees.
You're saying 30 degree. Okay. What about others?
Let me count it
30.
again. 42.
No, wait. I think so. Not 30.
Yeah, 30.
Be careful. Do not hurry while answering. You guys know the smaller division and the bigger division, right? The range, medium range and the bigger range.
35,
Look,
sir.
is 35 you're saying? No, 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 not 35. Look again where I'm pointing. See, yeah. When you look at this bigger line. Let me draw it a bit clearly. See, that's the bigger line, that's the small line, right? Okay. See, this much of division is equal to how much? Count the total number of lines here now. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
5.
Total 5 lines here. So that is
Yeah.
representing 5 degree. This one also is representing 5 degree, right? And together, look at the bigger line here, right? So this complete division is equal to 10 degree, right? That will be 10 degree. So look over here. We have 10 and then 10, 10 and 10. And then this is 5 degree and that's going to be 5 degree now. So that's 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 5 and plus 5. That is 30 degree. Got it now? Okay, the remaining ones tell me. Angle, you have UOT and TOS.
10, 20, 30, 35 degrees.
That is 35
30.
degrees.
Yeah, let
Yeah.
me recheck.
Mhm.
10, 20, 30. Yeah, 35.
So we should
35.
tell.
Exactly, that is 35 degree. You, which one you're saying? SOT, no? Or TOS? 35 degree.
TOS.
Good. Next, Habib,
20
you also
degrees.
answer.
UOT
Okay.
is 20 degrees.
UOT, you should be saying UOT. Habib,
Yeah.
you tell me, is 20 degree correct?
OT.
That is 20 degree over here, okay?
Okay.
All right. Further in the answer, it is mentioned that did you include angles such as TOK? It's from the follow-up page, no? So now here it's saying that did you include angles such as angle TOQ? Which set of markings did you use, inner or outer? What is the measure of angle TOS? Okay. See, did you include angles such as TOQ? So obviously we have included this angle TOQ here. Hold on. It's saying did we included this? So angle TOQ. If you want, we can include these angles also. No. Look again here. We can take some other arms also, like arm OS, and we can take arm.
OP.
What is this? OP. PO written
OP.
over here, right? So arm OP and arm OS. Between the arms OP and OS also an angle is being formed here now,
SOP.
right? Angle SOP, very good. Similarly, an angle between the arm OT
TO.
and arm OK is also forming now.
Yes, sir.
Try to understand, everyone. Similarly, an angle between the arm OU and OR is also being formed here now, right? So there are many angles forming over here. If you were to name them, let us name the other angles also. Okay. Other angles observed here. So they are as follows. Starting from this side, let us first name this one. So that is going to be angle ROP, right?
ROP.
Angle ROP. Next,
RO. Wait. Yeah. ROT.
ROT.
T.
We will go there, but going from a sequence,
ROS.
we will take first this one. We will take go there as well. Let's name this
S.
one first.
SOQ.
SOQ.
Q.
So angle SOQ. And then angle
TOQ.
TOR.
TOR. Angle TOR. And after that, we have this angle UOS.
UOS.
UOP.
UOS and UOP, we can take that one as well.
Yeah.
Okay, no? So we will take angle TOR we have taken, an angle, which one I was telling you? Angle UOS now. By the way, look over here. Other than angle TOR, you can also take angle TOQ now,
Yes.
Yes.
right? So angle TOQ as well, right?
Also angle TOP.
Angle TOP, yeah, obviously we can take that one as well. Angle TOP, very good. Now we will move to the next one. So that is angle UOS, right? Then there can be angle UOR also,
UOQ
UOQ,
and UOP.
UOP as well. So let's name that also. So angle UOS, okay. Then after that you have got angle UOR, angle UOQ, and then angle UOP. So there are many angles given in this figure which we have observed here, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. I'll be sending the screenshot of this one. What you guys will do, you guys will measure these angles also. Okay. As assignment, you guys will be taking the measurement of these angles which has been listed here. All right, Habib, Nafis, and Laksh.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hold on. Yeah. So that is the thing over here. Right. Also, one more thing if you guys were to notice here now. See, there's one more way to find the measurement of the angles here. That is by subtraction also. That is by subtraction also. Getting it? Let us understand how so. How we can find it by subtraction. Look over here. Look at the arm. Hold on. Look at the arm OP here. Okay, everyone look at the arm OP and arm OQ. Okay. Arm OP here is standing at 0 degree now. Right? Look at the internal marking here. It's standing at 0 degree. And OQ here is standing at 35 degree. Am I clear? It's passing between 30 and 40. It's passing from the middle of 30 and 40. So it is standing at 35. Is this point clear? Nafis, Habib, and Laksh? I'm saying that arm OP here is passing from 0 degree. Okay. Like it's
Yes.
passing from this marking, from marking 0. And arm OQ is passing from the marking 35. It's not mentioned here, but by logic it is understood that as it is passing from the middle of 40 and 35, so it should be passing from 35 now.
Yes.
So by division, you can find the measurement of angle Q, sorry, angle POQ. We can also find it in the following manner. So that will be 35 degree minus 0 degree, and that's 35 degree. Understood how we have got this value?
Yes, sir.
Moving on to the next one. Talking about angle QOR. I'm talking about this green one, angle QOR. Now look at where the arm OQ is at. Arm OQ here is at 35 degree or not? Tell me. We're
Yes.
trying to find out the measurement of
Yes.
angle QOR right now. Okay. So in this, I'm saying that arm OQ should be written here. So that is at 35. while the next arm OR is at
95.
exactly. It is at 95 now. Okay. So OR is at 95. So can't we find it in the following manner? OR minus OQ. That's basically 95 degree minus 35 degree. That's how much? 95 minus 35 is? Come on, this should not take this much of time. 95 minus 35 is how much?
It's 6.
60 degree, no?
60.
Right? Haven't we got the same answer here by counting the division?
Yes. 60 degree.
60 degree, no? For QOR, everyone getting the thing here. By
Yes,
subtraction also you can get the value. Same thing we can repeat for the other angles also, which we have found by the counting of the divisions here. So question was, how can we measure angles directly without having to subtract? So that one also we have understood by counting the division, or one of the best ways to simply use the protractor, right? Simplest ways to basically use the protractor. Okay. Now here, an activity is being described with the help of which you can make your own protector. Okay, now with the help of which you can make your own protector. Okay, let me just give you a description of like how you can make it. Okay, now we're not going to go deeper into this. We will just switch to the exercise. Okay, what you guys can do, you have a compass. Compass, you understand, right? With the help of which you can draw the circle. I
Yes.
hope I have it with me over here. Maybe. I'm not sure. See, so you will draw a circle of a convenient radius on a sheet of paper, right? As it is shown over here, draw a circle. Okay.
Sir, I
Then,
have done that same thing in my previous grade.
oh, you have done this. Okay. Oh, that's good. Good. Okay. So you will, after drawing the circle, now you will fold it from the middle, as you can see here. Okay. So fold the circle to get two equal halves like this. Okay. And cut it through the crease to get a semicircle. Through the crease, cut it. So now you have cut it and now you have got a semicircle. Semicircle is half of a circle, right, Habib?
Yes.
Then at the middle, write 0. Okay, na? Write 0 in the bottom right, I mean to say. On the bottom right corner, you write 0. And on the bottom left corner, you write 180 degree. As it is shown over here, right? So the measure of half of a circle is half of the full turn here. The measure of this half of the circle here, what is it? It's half of the full turn. Getting it?
yes.
Then next what you will do? Now you will fold this semicircular sheet also. Once again, you will fold it in half like this. So this crease that you will get here in the middle, right? That will be basically forming a right angle. No? That will be of 90 degree, right? So now you're having a quarter of circle now. Once again, when you will fold it, so you will get a quarter of the circle, 1/4 of the circle will be there now, right?
Yes, sir.
So it's basically 1/4 of the circle here. So the measure of 1/4 turn, that is 1/4 of 360 degree. The total angle around the center of the circle is 360 degree now. Everyone knows this, right? That's the, what do we call that? Complete angle, right?
Yes.
So 1/4 of 360 degree will be how much? 1/4 of 360 degree is how much?
Uh,
1/4
nine-
multiplied by 360. So 360
90.
upon 4, that is 90 degree. Well done.
90.
So now the protector which you are trying to make using a paper, you have got the following angle so far, right? On this corner you have 0, here you have 180, and in the middle you have got 90 degree. All right. Or it is mentioned here, the measure of 1/4 turn, that is half of a half turn. Half of a half turn. See, this is already half, and then you're again taking half of the half turn here, right? So that is basically 90 degree. So hence 90 degree will be at the top of the circle over here, at this, as you can see over here, right? This much will be 90 degree. Now next what you have done, you have again folded that sheet. See, you have again folding that sheet as shown over here, right? So now this is 1/8 of the circle. This is 1/8 times of that circle here. So 1/8 of 360 will be how much?
For 45.
Exactly. That is 45 degree now. So this crease, along this crease, you are getting a 45-degree angle now, right? Okay. Now you can continue further also, right? Or at this point, when you will be opening the semicircle, right? So then you will have 3 crease in it, right? This will be 45 degree, 45 plus 45, 90, 90 plus 45. Here you will be having 135 degree. Understood here?
Yes,
Why
sir.
this will be 135? Because 45 plus 45 is 90, 90 plus 45, 135. 135 plus 45, that is 180. Hope you guys are getting it, okay?
Yes.
You can continue with the another half also. Then you will keep on getting a smaller divisions here. Continuing with another half fold as shown in this figure 2.18. Okay, we get an angle of measure how much? That is the question being asked here. That is the question being asked over here. So then you'll be getting an angle measure of
20,
no,
21.5.
no. Look here. This was 1/8 of the fold now. Next will be
So it will be
1/12 of the fold.
135.
No. Next
122.5.
time it's going to be 1/12.
120.
No, you're not getting it. You guys are not getting it. See, next time you are going to fold it, right? So it will be what turn? We started from the beginning, right? In the beginning, we had the half fold, half turn, then we made the 1/4 turn, then we made the 1/8 turn. Getting it, guys? Next time, what? How much of the turn it's going to be? How much of a turn it's going to be? Mm-hmm.
112. 12.
It will be just look over here. Try to understand. If this is for 45 degree, right? And I am going to again fold it. As I'll be folding here, so there will be a crease in the middle
Oh, so
of
it
0
will
and
be
45 degree.
25,
Not 25.
15.
What is the half of 45? Half of 45 degree.
22.5.
22.5 degree now. 22.5 degree. Getting it, everyone?
Yes.
So that's going to be 22.5 degree, as you guys can see over here, right? So when finally, when you will be unfolding the semicircle, these are the different markings that you can get on that. Okay. Hope you guys have understood this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Also in figure 2.19, you will find that angle AOB, this angle over here, angle BOC, meaning that this angle, then angle COD, this, and all these angle, all of them will be equal to each other. The question is why? The question is why all of these will be equal?
Because we what do you say, divided all of the sorry, not the, we divided all of them
For
into equal halves.
into equal halves now, right?
Okay.
We divided this piece of paper every time into equal halves. So hence all of these angles are equal here. Okay. This topic we already have discussed in the last class about the angle bisector, right? Now, angle bisector basically the line that divides a given angle into two equal halves. That is called as the angle bisector. Getting it now? Like an angle is provided to you like this. It, let's say, measures it's 50 degree, and now you pass a line. Let's say you pass a line OM through it. Okay, and OM divides it exactly into two equal parts. That is 25 and 25 degree. So OM here is the angle bisector.
Bisector.
Okay. Okay. Now let's do the questions from the exercise. So find the degree measure of the falling angle using your protractor. So guys, you can do this only if you have your book with you and you have a protractor. You guys have your book, Nafis and Habib. You have the NCERT book?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, take out the protractor. Laksh, you have shared the exercise questions with me. Do you have a similar nature of or similar kind of question?
I think so. Wait, let me just.
Okay. Check if you have a similar kind of question. What you can
Sir,
do now?
sir, I took out a protractor. Now what should I do?
Okay, after taking out the protractor, what you will be doing? Hold on. You will be putting the center of the protractor on the vertex of the angle. Vertex of the angle, you understand now,
Yes, sir.
right? So look over here. This is the protractor. All right. So you will be putting it in the following manner. Let me show it. Hold on. Where did it go? See, exactly like I have placed it over here. Getting it, everyone? Look here. In this manner, every one of you have to place the protractor. Hope you guys can see it. It's visible.
Yes, sir.
See, I have placed the middle of the protractor exactly above the vertex H here. Now you look at the arms of the angle. I hope this is HG, no? It's hidden, but it's HG, I think, and HI. These are the arms of the angle. Look where HJ is and where HI is. Okay. This is at 0 degree, and this arm HI is exactly passing from here,
Yes.
right? So till here it's 40. After 40 it's 45. Right now, then count the number of divisions. I think there are 3 divisions in total here. Okay, you guys tell me how much you guys are getting.
Okay, sir.
Look what you can do now. You open page number 53. Okay, from your book. I believe it's page number 50. Let me check it on my phone. Like, which page exactly is that?
I have a question for measuring the
It's page
angles.
59, by the way. Yeah, tell me.
Sir,
I have a question
the
which is
first
telling
angle is 99 degree.
First angle is 99 degree. No.
In
How
my
can it be?
compass, it's showing like that.
No, 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 no. It should not be 90 degree. Is it looking like 90 degree? See, 90 degree forms a L shape, no? 90 degree. What happened? Yeah, 90 degree forms a L shape like this now.
It's 133 degree.
That is also not correct. How can you be getting 130? Look here, guys. Whenever you start measuring from this side of the protector, listen carefully. This is important. Whenever you take measurement from which side? Right side. You have to take this division, the one in the blue color. You have to take this division.
sir, the
Okay.
angle measurement is
So it's
what
53.
48, 48, 48.
48,
Yes, yes,
exactly.
sir. 48.
48.
Exactly, 48. Look here, guys. Look, Habib, carefully. See, this one is 45, no? This one is 45, right? Okay. This is 45. After 45, how many divisions can we see here?
3.
3, no? 1, 2, third. On the third one, it is passing through the third one. So it's not visible quite, but it's 3 divisions. So 45 plus 3, it's 48 degree, no? Okay.
Sir,
So
in my
when,
textbook,
uh,
sir, in my textbook, there's a question which is telling to measure two angles and then tell which one is bigger.
okay,
That's
So the
tell
next
me the
angle
page
is
number.
23 degree.
23 degree. Okay, okay. Others also check. Habib, check whether it's 23 or how much. Yeah, tell me the question number, Laksh. Page
so
number
the
or uh,
page number 52, question number 5.
52. Let me open that.
52 and then the question number 5 for me.
By the way, Laksh, make sure that whenever you share it, now the page numbers are visible properly. 43, then it's 52 or is it 32? Hold on. 55, 25. Okay, anyways, tell me what's the question, what the question is?
The question is written, measure the angle. There's one angle written, angle BAC and angle PQR, and find which one is bigger. And they have given the picture of the angle.
Okay, so I
Just
think by the
Sir,
help
the
of
last
protector you
one is
measure
80 degree.
80 degree you're saying. Okay.
Last one.
Habib, okay, Habib, you also check it, how much you're getting. So Laksh,
Or the second one.
second and the third one, both. So Laksh, do
yes, sir.
one thing, take the help of the protector and then measure it. Okay. Hmm. You guys check it from your book. Meanwhile, let me get some questions from the exercise book of Laksh as well. Okay, now I'll be resharing my screen in just 1 minute. All right, guys, give me a minute. Meanwhile, you move to the other question, Nafis. See what the other question is saying in the exercise.
It's find the degree measures for the angle given below. Check if your paper protractor can
Hmm.
be used here.
Okay, okay. Try to find it out. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Give me 1 minute. Okay, now you guys give me just 1 minute. Um, right now, do one thing, Alaksh. Open exercise 2.1. Okay.
Exercise 2.1.
2.1. Yeah.
2. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Open.
Have you done any questions from exercise 2.1?
Uh, yeah, I've done till question number 7, not the 8th one.
Okay. In the eighth one, do you have any issue in the eighth one?
With the reference of the given figure statement of the C and D.
Give me
Estimates of the
one.
C and D points around B. CD around B. Yeah. Uh, Sir, I don't have any issues. I think the questions are easy for the 8th one.
Okay. 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 Just 1 minute. Okay. See. Is it that you have shared questions from multiple chapters?
Yes, sir. I've shared from 2 chapters.
From 2 chapters, no? Okay, okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, can you
both
tell
of
me?
them are both of them are similar.
Okay, okay. Can you tell me the question number where you were having difficulty?
The question, the difficulty.
Sure.
Where did it go? Yeah. Can you search for exercise 3.3?
Okay,
Then
I'm on
5.
exercise 3.3.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, 3.3. Question
Hmm.
number 5. Yeah, question number 5. Yeah, there is it.
Just
So
1 minute.
exercise
Yeah. Question number 5.
5.
So measure angle BAC and angle PQR and find which one is bigger here. So what you have to do is, again, you basically have to use a protector. You will place the protector, and this is the manner how you're going to place the protector. See, like this, you're going to place the protector. Okay, the center of the protector should be coinciding with the vertex A here. Okay, then you measure, like you find out where the arms AB and arm AC is lying. All you have to do is just look at where arm AC is lying. Okay, from where it is passing. Getting it? So just look at it, then you'll be getting your answer. Getting it or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, in the similar manner, for this one, what you can do, you can place arms at either of the two arms. Okay, you can place it on this side or on this side, no issue. Look at where arm QR is lying and where arm OP is lying. Then count the number of divisions simply between it. How many divisions are there, right? And here also you can count the divisions also, right? So whichever will be having more division, there will be that will be your answer. That will be the bigger angle. Hope you have got it.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you try to do questions from your exercise. Wherever you'll be having difficulty, we'll be discussing that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Meanwhile, from the anxiety, from there also you will try to participate and do the questions, which I will be telling you to do. All right.
Okay.
Yeah. Habib, you told me what was the measurement? Yes, Habib. Nafis, you were saying me you got somewhere around 22 degree, right? Or 18,
23.
23 degree. Okay. Yeah, Habib, are you getting the same value? And for
Yes.
this, what is the value of the angle here? What's angle H? What's angle KHG equal to?
Let me check.
Why are you a bit lost in today's class, Habib? Hmm? For the second question, find the degree measures of different angles in your classroom using your protector. So this is
It's
some activity which
140.
you,
Third one, sorry.
Habib, how are you getting 140 degree?
For the third one.
Even for the third one, it's not going to be 140
No,
degree.
not 140.
No, no. Let me again put the protector here. Hold on.
It's not 140, that third one.
Yeah, it's not going to be that much. Look here.
It's 110.
110. Okay, 1 minute. It's a bit tricky to place it at the exact point. Okay, try to understand, although it's not very clear. Okay, so like it should be should have been placed over here right now, but it's clearly more than 90 degree. Nafis, you told me you got 80 degree, right?
Yes.
But that is not correct. It should be more than 80 degree. Hubby, you're saying 110 degree, right? So I think it should be 110 degree. Nafis, place the protector again properly. Hubby, your answer is by the way correct for this one. It should be 110 degree. Got it?
Yeah, 110. I told correct.
Good. Okay. Second question, it's an activity based thing. Like you can measure with the help of protector, you can measure the different things in your classroom. So that is something I will leave it up for you guys to do. Okay, and you can measure the angle between the corners of the book, like corners of the wall, etc. With the whatever thing is possible to measure. Like you cannot measure the corner of the wall with the protector, obviously, but you can measure the different things in your classroom with the help of the protector. The smaller things, particularly. Okay, you got your mistake in the second question, Habib. See, it's an acute angle, right? It's an acute angle, by the way. So place it properly. You should be getting 23 degree, I believe. Third question here. Find the degree measure for the angles given below. Check if your paper protector can be used here. Okay. First of all, what you will do with the help of the protector, you will find the measurement of these angles, right? And next, you will try to use your paper protector also. Like moments ago, we have learned about this paper protector. Okay. Can be measured with the help of the paper protector or not. Okay. So quickly measure it. Meanwhile, look, you are solving questions from exercise or not?
Yes, sir. I'm done with the question you sent me to. The
Okay,
fifth
okay.
one.
Okay, which one is bigger, the first or the second angle?
So the second angle is bigger by 20 degrees.
Okay, that's good. Okay, do more questions from that exercise. Try completing it.
How many years?
So find the degree measure for the angles given here. How much is this angle here? Find it out quickly. I believe it should be around 40
Sir,
or something. Huh?
sir, the first one is 102.
This one 102.
Yes.
No, no, no. It's not going to be that much.
No, it's below 90.
Yeah, it's below 90. In fact, it should be below 50.
Yeah. It's, oh, wait, 90 minus 50. 90 minus 50, 40.
That's 40, no? But
It's,
it's exactly
yeah,
40
40
or
degrees.
somewhere around 40.
Somewhere around 40. It's like 42 or 41.
It should be maybe 41, I believe. Hold on. Okay,
Yeah.
look over here, right? So I haven't been able to place it properly, like it is not aligned, but nonetheless, we can understand, right? So it is clearly more than 40, right? And it should be around 41 or 42. Getting it, Nafis? So I think 41 degree should be the answer. All right. Okay, now measure the second one. I hope you guys are placing the protector properly.
Yes.
In this manner, like it should be placed, by the way, although not very accurate, but this is how it should be placed. Okay. So now you tell me, where is this arm HJ passing from? It's clearly going to be more than 110 degree, right? Now, you guys tell me what's the exact value you guys are getting. Habib, you're sorry, Laksh, you're at which question number? Let me open the PDF here.
I'm at the seventh question. I'm doing it.
Question number 7. Which of the following are examples for perpendicular lines? So
So
first is a rule
115 for the third
115
one.
degree. Okay, okay. Not third, but second one. Third question number. Okay, good. 115 degree. Very good. Okay. Now, can we find these angles with the help of the paper protector? Remember the paper protector, that activity which we have discussed moments ago? Yeah. So you like if we have a paper protractor, so we need to know like with the help of that can we find it or not. But in the paper protractor, see, we had only these angles, no? Right? And this one we had made only these angles. So using this paper protractor, we cannot find it. If we were to made few more divisions in it, maybe we would be able to find, but it would be quite difficult. Why so? Because if you were to make more creases, so if you were to make a crease in between 112.5 and 90, so clearly you won't be getting 115 here. So you cannot take the measurement of 115 degree here. And here you are having 45 degree, no, but in the measurement you got 41 degree, and then you got 115 degree. So can you measure 115 degree and 41 degree with the help of this paper protractor? Can you? You guys not getting what I'm saying? Habib, all of you turn your cameras on. Nafis, turn your camera on. Yes, Habib, turn your camera on. I said in this previous question, what you got your answers, those answers were 41 degree as well as 115 degree. Question was
Yes.
also asking you, check if your paper protractor can be used here. In your paper protractor, you are able to measure only these angles, no? 0, 22 and a half, 45, 67 and a half, like this. So here, do you have this marking of 41 degree or 115 degree? Do you have these markings here?
No, sir.
So you
I
cannot
I have
use
it
it.
in my textbook.
Yeah, you cannot use it, no?
Yes.
Okay. How can you find the degree measure of the angle given below using a protractor? A very
Sir, it
interesting
is
question.
100.
This one is.
Yes.
Obviously, this is not 100 degree, no. You have to measure this one, no. What do we call this type of angle? First tell me. Is it complete angle, reflex angle?
Exterior is.
It's exterior
Reflex
angle.
angle.
It is reflex angle. Very good. Okay, it's reflex angle. So you know that the sum of all the angles around a point is how much? Sum of all the angle around a point is 360 degree, no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? Okay. If you manage to find the measurement of this much of angle, right, using the protractor, and then you subtract that much from 360 degree, will you not get the measurement of this angle? Listen again. If you find out
That's
how much is
110.
110, this one you're telling 110.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Nafis, how much you were getting?
Something around 110 or 100.
Okay,
I
hold
think
on.
so. It's 110.
Okay, just one. Let me remove this one.
I did 145.
Oh.
No, not 145.
So it should be
100.
105 actually. See,
Yes. One.
not 5, not 5, 103 or 104 something.
Yes.
Getting it? See. So this line is passing from here now, right? If you were to draw it further, hold on, right? So we find out that it is passing somewhere on like 103, right? Maybe 103. Getting it now? So that is 103. So this much angle is 103. All right. So how much will be the other one? That's 360 minus 103 now. Understood the logic here,
Yes, sir.
right? Okay. Or let's say if you are getting 100 degree, that would be much more convenient if you are getting 100 degree. Because here it's difficult to get the exact value. Okay, now from a piece of paper, getting the exact value is different. Here it will be different. So then your answer would be how much? The smaller angle here, you have got it as 100 degree now. So the bigger angle, that's going to be 360 minus 100 is how much? 360 degree minus 100 degrees, how much? I don't know what you guys have been doing.
260.
Such a simple question, you guys are taking this much
It's
of time.
260.
Obviously 260 degree now. Okay, fifth question, measure and write the degree measure for each of the following angles. Okay, we have some time left. Quickly measure the, take the measurement of these. Okay, Laksh, tell me what have you been doing? You done with the seventh question?
Yes, sir. I'm almost done with the eighth question. I'm on eighth questions, D sub questions, fifth sub question.
Fifth question.
I mean the eighth question.
Eighth question. With reference to the following diagram, answer the given question. If L1 and L2 are perpendicular, okay, is BF equals to PX here? So
Yeah,
look at
I'm at
BF.
the
Mhm.
I'm at the eighth questions D part. State whether the following statements are true or false. And at the last one, L2 bisects
Hmm.
BY.
BY. So does it bisect or not? Bisect means that it should be dividing it into two equal parts, right? So
Two equal.
what's the
So,
measure of BY? Yeah, Habib.
so I got 80 degree for A.
That's correct. Very good. Find the measure of next one. So that is BY. So BY
Sir,
over
the
here.
next one is
Mhm.
sir, the next one
Yes.
is 90 degrees.
90 degree. How come
No,
you'll be getting 90 degree? Does it make a L shape here,
it's
Nafis?
above.
It's more
Like
than
it's
no.
113, I guess.
No, no, no.
Sorry. No. 122 degree.
Okay, maybe it should be exactly 120 degree, I believe. Check it again.
Sir, for
One
the last
second.
one which I'm doing in the eighth one, it is
Yeah,
true.
120. It's
Okay.
120 exactly.
Okay, hold on. Yeah, Laksh, tell me what you were saying.
Sir, it is true.
It
The
is true.
L2
Hmm.
bisects BY. It's
Hmm.
true.
Right. So the measure of BY is going to be how much? 10, right? That is 10. Okay.
Yes.
So L2 here is passing from the point P, right? So look at the distance of Y from P and the distance of B from P. So exactly it is 5 units of distance from both the side, right now? 5 from left and 5 from the right side. So yeah,
Yes.
it is correct. Okay. Okay, ninth question, you have to estimate the measure of different angles in the given figure. Verify the accuracy by actual measurement here, right? By actual measurement here. Okay. So try doing this one as well. Okay. Okay, these ones we have done. Right. Okay, so I believe there's few more questions from this exercise. All right. And that we'll be doing in the next class. Okay, now. If you guys have any questions from today's class, let me know.
No, sir.
So Daksh, you try to complete the questions given in exercise. Okay. Whatever difficulty you'll be having, we'll be discussing that